Ethereum is testing a crucial resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Ethereum, we have successfully tested our major resistance here at 1218. We mentioned the fact that this level is going to be, of course, a very crucial level because this is where pretty much the moveset started, and that's where the bulls are going to be looking to take some profits. You can see that pretty much we hit that level, and now we are starting to see some bearish engulfing candles form. Ideally on Ethereum, as long as we could continue using these exponential moving averages as support, we could be looking for one last leg up to test this major resistance level at 1278, and then things of course become very interesting. Ideally, from a bullish case scenario, we would like to try to get break above that 1278 and try to use this as support for a continuation. You can see on previous price analysis, Ethereum tried to overtake these levels, but immediately after we had multiple retests and then the confirmation to the downside, now it looks like from the bullish case scenario, we do have one last leg opportunity to continue trying to take those highs and then the continuation. Ideally, from the bearish case scenario, if we do break above and actually do test at 1278 level and see it as a form of resistance, then we can start to look for our overall level here at $1,007 to be tested. I'm still, of course, focusing on that major support level because they had yet to be tested. Of course, in terms of this bullish move set, we bounced off because of the fact that this was a double bottom formation, as well as the fact that we were oversold on the RSI down here. So that was a good move set for a continuation on the upside. With this strong bullish engulfing candle breaking above these EMAs, we had that confirmation that Ethereum is ready to have some small movement to the upside. And of course, I've mentioned this to you guys many times. The more times you see a ladder case going up slowly, that tends to be a elevator coming back down. And we can see that pretty much over on the hourly time frames right now. We are starting to see the break of the exponential moving averages. You can see that before we were pretty much laddering all the way up with these strong bullish engulfing candles, but now it looks like volume is dying. We are starting to see multiple resistance candlesticks, of course, and the fact that we are now retesting these exponential moving averages more and more. We have got a confirmation of a break, of course, of the 9 EMA, and now the 20 EMA is looking to be tested because of the fact, of course, this is a very crucial resistance point on Ethereum. In yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that this area of resistance is going to act as a very strong resistance because of the fact that this was also a very crucial support zone and now a very good resistance zone. We could be expecting a large fake out opportunity and then the continuation to the downside. Overall in Ethereum, though, of course, is if we do see that $1,007 level tested, we have to keep in mind the fact that we've already seen 3 tests on this level before. Ideally, anything of a break confirmation below this level and an area of resistance being tested would give us a confirmation that Ethereum is ready to capitulate on our major support level here at 723. This is the level specifically that I am looking to actually DCA and start buying a ton, right, for the long-term positions of any sort of altcoin, right? When Ethereum tests the around the $700 mark, that's a very good area of support level to actually start being tested, and you can start to think of a long-term position over on Ethereum because, again, if we of course do drop from there, you're still at a sub $1,000 Ethereum, so long-term it really wouldn't matter. But right now, entering at around $1,200 mark, although we are testing these crucial support levels, it's very risky in my opinion to be entering altcoins. I still expect alts to drop around 30 to 40% more, so this is exactly why I'm mentioning the fact that, of course, if we do see that bullish move set, then you can kind of use these positions to scalp, but there's no reason to be entering any sort of long positions just yet. Ideally, what you want to do is when you are looking for long-term positions on Ethereum, you would like to get, of course, the lowest point possible, but we have to keep in mind that we have to still test the major lows, or sorry, the major highs of Ethereum back from 2018, right? You can see from previous price analysis, we had the breakout formation at the 723 level on the daily before we had this explosive move to the upside. We have yet to still test this pattern, and if I were to zoom out on the chart like this, you can pretty much see that we are pretty much heading towards that area of support, right? We had this large move set with a possibility of a bounce, a clean confirmation, and now we are starting to look for a new lower low created on Ethereum. So that would be the perfect level, because looking back in 2018, that acted as a very strong resistance point, and of course old resistance becomes new support. So that's exactly where I'm looking to enter Ethereum. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.